Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. That's right, I'm back. This video is being posted on Tuesday, April 5th, 2022. Today I'm coming to you from the financial aid offices inside Woolworth Hall here on campus. A big thank you to Dr. Kellen Williams, Jesse Samora, and Dr. Natalia Melgarejo, who filled in for me over the past few weeks. Great job, ladies. Students, do you need help completing your FAFSA? Our financial aid team will host workshops to answer your questions and help you complete the FAFSA form. The workshops will be held in the Health Science Technology Center's computer lab tomorrow, April 6th from noon until 2 p.m. and on Monday, April 25th from 5 to 7 p.m. If you're interested in attending a workshop, contact our team here in the financial aid office. I'm very excited to share with our Johnson College community that there will be a special conversation with alumnus Ideal T. Saldi, class of 49, on Wednesday, April 20th at 11 a.m. in the Moffitt Student Center gym. Please mark your calendars because you won't want to miss hearing about Mr. Saldi's amazing life journey. It will be a landmark event for the college, so I hope many of you can join us. Also, on April 20th, our Carpentry and Cabinet Making Technology program is holding its annual auction benefiting the Children's Advocacy Center. Our students created all the work that will be auctioned. The doors open at 5 p.m. and registration is required. Visit johnson.edu for more information and to register. I'm excited to announce the 2022 Johnson College Commencement Ceremony will be held on Saturday, May 14th at 10 a.m. at the Circle Drive-In Theater located on the Scranton-Carbondale Highway. Graduates will be seated in front of the stage and walk across it to receive their diplomas. We encourage family, friends, and guests to bring lawn chairs or outdoor chairs so they can be near the ceremony and not have to be in their vehicles. Our commencement keynote speaker is Old Forge native Nick Scarnato. Mr. Scarnato is a graduate of Johnson College's class of 1980 and a member of the Johnson College Board of Directors. As the CCO at Producto, Mr. Scarnato is currently instrumental in driving the commercial strategy and development of 3 platform entities: New Vision Industries, located at Endicott, New York; Ring Precision Components, located in Jamestown, New York; and Dyco, located in Salon, Ohio. I always enjoy talking with Mr. Scarnato, and I know his message to our graduates will be incredible. Golfers, the Johnson College Open will be held on Friday, May 20th at Pine Hills Country Club in Taylor. If your business or organization would like to be a Johnson College Open sponsor, or if you're interested in golfing this year, please visit johnson.edu/golf. And now for my final note of the week. Just a few weeks ago, we held our largest career fair to date on campus. More than 80 employers were here seeking the skills that our students and alumni possess. I had the opportunity to speak with so many employers, and they all shared how professional and prepared our students are to enter the workforce. One employer shared the highest compliment by stating that our students are consistently well educated, and even more importantly, they are good, hardworking individuals. Thank you, students. You are the foundation of the workforce of this region. And thank you, employers, for recognizing and valuing the amazing skills of our students. Together, we truly work. That's it for this week's presidential update video from the financial aid offices inside Woolworth Hall here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.